Let's discover the new face of Mawan, a scenic destination that combines history and one-of-a-kind attractions. If you guys like to visit and experience modern Mawan vibes, so here is your guide. From Chinye Station Exit C, take bus entry 30 on the left to Park Island. And as soon as you alight at the bus stop guys, just go inside these glass doors and go down to level 2. Ayan, pagkarating nyo po sa level 2, turn to your right side, walk heading to Noah's Ark, then turn right to arrive on the road. Ayan, meron kayong makikitang kalsada dyan, tapos lalakad lang po kayo ng few meters. Makikita nyo na po dyan yung entrance ng Mawan Park Nature Garden. Ayan, ganito. Meron kayong makikitang ganito na sign. Pagka-exit nyo po ng park, makikita nyo na dyan yung entrance ng Mawan 1868. Ayan, sundan nyo na lang po pababa. So here we are guys, the new attraction for you to explore. So this place was once abandoned and also tagged as a ghost village. They have painted the village into rainbow pastels and making it more lively. Magaganda rin po yung mga mural paintings nila dito at ang isa na pinakagusto kong highlights dito is yung Cap Shimon Bridge. Ayan, ito yung view nyo dito lalo na kung makakuha po kayo ng magandang pwesto. Ayan. So hanggang dito na lang po at maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.